we're ready. Hey, Luke, come with me to capture B.
Okay.
We're gonna charge, and you're gonna defend me.
Where do you want?
We're going straight up to that play.
Got one. Where do you want me to sign that?
They're gonna be coming from that.
Citrus?
They're gonna be coming from that side and that side, so you gotta watch. Ah! Go, 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 go! Ah! They're all over here! Luke, capture! Go, go, go! Go capture, Luke, I got you. Oh, no. Watch this side.
They're on our other side.
There were like 4 people over there.
Protect our flank.
Watch out, stay there.
Levi, I need you to push up to this building.
Levi, we're pinned down.
Levi, God dang it.
Levi!
Medic.
Where's Chad? Chad! Don't blind fire.
Oh, we're not supposed to?
Yeah.
Wait, do bounces count?
Ricochets don't count.
Okay.
But I'm hit.
Freaking cowards, every last one of you. Where's it at? Guys, where can we get out of here? Jacob.
Go to the back. Ah! No, you need to go over here. There's like 4 people over here. Caleb's hit. I'll help you. Suppress him. Dude, watch that way. Start shooting that Jared. Jake! Guys, get up here! I don't know. Oh, there's yours. Hey, Levi. Hey, do a couple of you guys want to go around that way and flank Jared? Go through the building and go out around the right side. Oh, that sucks. We're both out. I charged him and I got a bang bang. Is there anybody at that corner, Lee?
We're good.
Alright, I'm gonna go.
Up 3.
Oh, kill! I'm jammed. Hey guys, watch Caleb! Hey, watch Caleb, he's coming that way. Hey guys, Jared's coming up. Okay, never mind, he's hit. No, I got nobody. No. Oh, I got Lampy looking at me. Sniper!
Watch that flank.
got Caleb. Arm hit. Respawn.
Wait, what do I gotta do to respawn? Touch the flag?
Hit. I got hit from somebody. Whoa, we got someone.
Protect our 6-man. Attack the reload. I'm a raper, not a lifesaver. Who's over there?
I think it was Jared, but I'm not
I got hit with a
completely
sniper.
sure.
I got hit by a
Hey Luke, move up around the outside. I'll watch the corner.
sniper. Like the trees?
Here, stand right here and watch me. I'm hit. Run, boy! I don't want to. Sorry. Ah! Watch kill, watch kill. Oh wait, what? No, I got Caleb over here. Oh no! Hold on. Here, watch them, watch them. Make sure they don't bag you. No, don't move it.
I'm gonna sprint. Understood? You keep.
Alright, ready? Set, go. Alright, Lampy's over there. You can respawn there. Just go spawn on one of your teammates. Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shot me right in the nipple. It went like right here. It went like...
I want to get you in the back.
Dang it. I got shot in the nipple, guys. You're great. Round's over.